Hey guys, thanks for watching. We're getting near the end of the season. I just finished the MSK tournament trail. It's a great season. But what I want to go over real quick with you is some maintenance tips for your radars, especially the ones equipped with a pedal drive. I'm going to start with the rudder. These things get full of grime and grit because of the extreme conditions that we put them in. And I just wanted to show you here real quick. This one, I've already taken care of it, but it's actually pretty lubricated. All I did, just take a garden hose, spray this rudder head out, and then use your favorite lubricant to spray in here. Lubricate in between these discs right here, and then go ahead and lubricate in here. I can't do it because I'm running the camera with one hand, but move this rudder back and forth as you spray in here. Get this all lubricated. Just run it back and forth as you spray into those holes. You see how free that one's now since it's cleaned up. But that's it for the rudder. And I've just got my two pedal drives drying right now. I just rinsed those off with water, and we'll get to those in a minute. All right. Got my pedal drive setting here. Guys, these things have been through a heck of a season. I mean, they have taken a beating. Still working awesome, but I want to at least show you what I'm going to do to service these. Let's start with the bottom here. So what I want you to do is pay attention to the gap in the middle here. This gap between the two halves. So what you're going to do is you'll need a Phillips screwdriver and an Allen key, and I don't want you to tighten those down, really wrench on them, but at least snug them up. And what that's going to do is keep the gap here good, so that there's less play when pedaling. The whole head won't walk back and forth as much. Make sure your bolts are tight everywhere. That's just, make sure these bolts are tight back here. That's just from rattling around, flopping around in the back of a truck. You're going to take your pedals off by undoing the Phillips screw that's in there. It's down inside there. It's a Phillips screw. Take that off. Lubricate with grease the shafts of the pedals so they don't squeak on you. Of course, you're going to fill the gear head full of grease. So it's on the side here. It's this small plug. Take that out and then use marine grease and a grease gun and fill that head completely full with marine grease until it starts coming out. These things also, like I said, they get full of grime, full of grease. So what I'm going to do is take a rag and some lubricant and just wipe this whole shaft front and back clean. And then what I'm going to do is actually set this on a table and push the shaft down as if the pedals would be in the engaged position, like it'd be in the boat. Lock it down, and then that's going to give you access to the spring inside, and you can keep it clean and lubricated. If you do this thing's going to keep working freely, as it has for me for a season now. I haven't had any issues with it. They're working awesome, but they do require a little bit of maintenance. Those are the things I wanted to point out. Just wanted to give those tips to you. Good luck. Thanks for watching.